This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Updated and move-in ready. Desirable area. Open floor plan, flowing with natural light. Entertainer's delight. 6 privacy fence backyard, shed, deck and patio. No POA fees. Park boats/campers on the extra concrete with accessible electrical outlets. New gourmet custom kitchen with 42 soft close cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite, porcelain wood look tile on the main floor. The majestic master retreat has abundant space for a king-size bed/sitting area. Spa-like bath includes a jetted tub, dual sink vanity, separate shower, and water closet. Upstairs office could be 5th bedroom. Finished room over the garage is large enough for multi-generational family living or recreational space. Main floor laundry with extensive cabinetry. Roof and high-efficiency HVAC replaced in 2013. Garage has overhead storage.